Magre-revert na yan tayo guys. Yes. Meron akong god pick kasi nag-revert ako nun. Tapos yung first revert ko dito guys, water walker. Tapos yung third, yung god pick. Ay dalawa yung bodo kasi nung god pick. Kaya inuna ko god pick. Kasi gusto ko guys. Maganda kasi god pick. What the fuck? Meron pang na-stock doon pero wala lang dyan na tayo kaya hindi ko na kailangan yan. And then, check this out. Kaya mag-repair na tayo guys. So wait lang, level na tayo. Tapos mag-bed spawn tayo. Ay. Pagkatapos natin mag-live guys, meron akong gagawin para makapag-repair tayo guys. What the fuck is this? Yes, I don't. Okay guys, we're reverting now. And my friend joined me here. And my friend joined me to her server. Okay. Okay. And we are going bed spawn. I need to wait 6 seconds. Are you serious right now? It's 2 seconds. Need to wait 4 to 6 seconds. So close. It's close. I mean close. 40 seconds. I need to wait 35 seconds. Oh my god, bro. Come on. I want to game. I want to revert. Okay. Make me unhappy, huh? One more. I think wait. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Bro. 5 seconds. It's here. It's here, my friends. Yeah. We're going to make this. Okay. I am back for what the heck. Okay, we're gonna open this. And then we're drop in chest. That's the technique, guys. If you're reverting. Oh my god, I have a lot of stuff. Okay, I will drop the wheel of road. And then I will gonna drop all of this fucking. Okay guys. So wait, I will gonna drop all of this stuff. It's okay. Oh god. That was so close. Oh my god. There drop. Shoo. Can drop unique items. Oh yes, can drop unique items. Oh, that was okay because I have a lot of crystal and gold. Ang ag ko naman. Ba't ganito naglaro to? Larong to, bawal i-drop yung mga unique. Nahirapan pa ako. Babawasin ko na naman gold. I will mine gold and some crystal. Okay guys, sorry. My grandma are okay. Don't worry guys, he's good. Sorry, grandma is so loud noise. It's okay, so I can't take this anymore, I think. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. I get again. I get. Okay guys, so wait. I think I will gonna pass forward. Sorry guys, it's so take long to drop all this. I'm so bored at this. Okay, it's so hard to drop all these. Oh, I was so close on crystal. Gold or oh, okay, the gold is became to drop all of this. Okay, so we're dropping all these. It's so hard to drop all these. The fuck. Okay, it's so close. Okay, we're going in a wide robot. Okay, it's dropping. It's dropping. Okay, let's. Okay, let's. Pink diamond drop. Okay, let's and then let's revert. We're reverting. Okay, do it or else. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Okay, let's get all these items. All my items. Fucking bitch. Oh my god, bro. Bro. Need to fix my stuff. Okay. And then we're gonna collect all my stuff. Oh my god, it's getting just making me unhappy, guys. Oh my god, this is take so long. Ugh. I can get my hood pick now. Okay, and then let's collect all this. Wait. It's so look not good. I have the glory, guys. My helmet are two, the glory and the sub in there. Only two, guys. 8 DK, what I get to one more though. I have God pick, and I have water walker. Only, yes, of course, that's so easy. If you're reverting, I want to get that axe to and my pink diamond axe are do not use. He is on my inventory. That's a one I made because I like that. Okay, collect this all. So satisfying for me, but it's not. Okay, I was not ready. Okay, I collected all this. I'm gonna eat all my blue food because I need to eat. And then close all this. And then we're leaving. Bye bye guys. See you the next video. And goodbye. Fucking bitch boy. Bye.